Stellar Microscope Series. Experience microscopy the Stellar way. Putting the user first, Stellar microscopes are easy to set up and use, making them perfect for universities and small lab settings. The intuitive interface minimizes prep work, while the ergonomic design reduces distractions. Clutter is further reduced by the unique double-slide storage. As part of the built-in Quick Start Guide system, focus guidelines allow users to locate the optimal focus simply by aligning the cues, while the aperture diaphragm indicator is color-matched to the objectives, ensuring an effortlessly sharp image. With sleek, modern styling, Stellar microscopes make the most of their compact frame. The 360 degrees rotatable head allows multiple users to easily share a single microscope, and also enables the head to be rotated out of the way for storage. Footprint is also minimized through an integrated holder for the power cord and adapter. And thanks to the energy-efficient design, the USB port enables the microscope to be powered using a simple external power bank. Combined with built-in carrying handle and low weight, Stellar microscopes can go wherever you wish, even outdoors. The Stellar series of microscopes is built to endure and withstand the demands of daily work. The robust construction of the microscopes and the high-quality wear and tear-resistant materials, as well as the stable and fixed eyepieces, make them an optimal choice for teaching environments, hobbyists and small labs. A low-power LED light source and 30 minutes auto power-off make Stellar microscopes eco-friendly. Based on the belief that comfort improves concentration, the focusing knobs and stage control are strategically positioned low on the microscope body, minimizing fatigue and ensuring users are focused on their tasks. It is proven that the synergy between digitization and microscopy maximizes efficiency and promotes teamwork. With the simple attachment of a Motorcam camera and by using the supplied software, microscope slides can be viewed in real time on any connected device, even a tablet or smartphone, or sent to a TV screen or projector. Stellar Microscope Series, a stellar view of the tiny world. Discover the Stellar Microscope Series at moticeurope.com.